morning students. In the last class we have discussed about the integers. What are the integers? What are natural numbers? What are the successor? What is the predecessor? Comparison of integers, addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and today we will discuss about the multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integers. So today's topic is multiplication of integers. There are some rules regarding this multiplication of integers. Suppose we are multiplying two integers. 5 into 9, it is 45. Here 5 is positive and 9 is also positive. So the answer is positive. If we are multiplying two numbers, if we are multiplying two integers having same sign, the answer will be positive. Okay. If the first number is positive into second number भी अगर पॉजिटिव होगा तो आंसर भी क्या होगा हमारा पॉजिटिव होगा. If the first number is positive, second number is also positive, then answer will be in positive. Okay. And if first number is negative, second number is also negative, then answer will be positive. And if first number is positive, second number is negative, answer will be negative. And last one is, if first one is negative and the second one is positive, answer will be negative. You have to learn this. Okay, for the multiplication of two numbers, you have to learn this concept. If we are multiplying two numbers having same sign, answer will be positive. Plus plus plus, minus minus, minus into minus, minus into plus, or plus into minus, it is minus, negative. Okay, same sign, positive, different sign, negative. बस. तो देखो कुछ क्वेश्चन. We will look some example. Suppose 40 into minus 7. 40 into minus 7. It is the first number. It is the first number. 40 is positive, and second number is minus 7, which is negative. First number is positive. Second number is negative. First number positive. Second number positive. Answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. Okay, negative answer. और इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? बस 40 को इंटू करो 7 से, 40 को इंटू करो 7 से, 40 into 7 into 0, 7 को जब 28, which means 280 is the answer. If either of the number is negative, answer will be negative. If both the number is positive, answer will be positive. If both the number is negative, answer will be positive. Look some more example. Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. We always enclose negative number by a bracket. Okay, so that you can't get confused. Here there are three integers. Here three integers are getting multiplied. First we will multiply the first two integers. First we will multiply this to 1. This is the first number and the second number. First number is negative, second number is also negative. Negative, negative, negative into negative, positive. Okay, positive. And what is the value of 10 into 10? 100. Okay, and we don't write the plus sign. It is understood that it is positive. Okay, multiply minus 10. Now you have to multiply this number and this number. It is the first number, it is the second number. And first number is positive, second number is negative. First number positive, second number negative. Answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. And what is the value? 100 minus 100 into 10, 1000. So this is the answer. Okay. We will see some more example. Example number 3. Minus 5 into 6 multiplied with minus 7 into minus 20. Okay. Now there are 4 integers and you have to multiply all of them. You have to make 2 pair. This one is first pair and this one is second pair. -5 multiplied with 6 multiplied -7 into -20. What you have done in the first step, you have to make pair in the first pair and in the second pair. In the first pair there are 2 numbers. The first number is negative and second number is positive. Negative and positive. This one. First number is negative, second number is positive. Then answer will be negative. And what is the value? 5 is 30. 5 is 30. Since it is a negative number, we will enclose it in the bracket. Multiplied with this is the first number and is the second number. First number is positive, negative. Second number is also negative. Negative into negative, positive. So usually we don't write positive sign. And what is the value? 20 into 7, 140. 140. Now you have to multiply these two numbers. First number, this is the first number, this is the second number. The first number is negative, second number is positive. First number is negative, second number is positive. The answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. And you have to multiply it with 140 into 3. 40 into 3, 40 into 40 into 3, 42. 42 and put 2 zeros. And this is our answers. Okay. Now you can solve exercise 1B homework. You have to solve exercise 1B. Question number 1, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question 1, 2 and 3. You can solve in your maths copy 1, 2 and 3. Now next, is some other question. Question number 2 of example. You have to compare -2 -5 multiplied with -6 and -2 plus -5 into -6. And you have to compare which number is larger, either this one or this one. Okay. Now look. First you have to solve this -2 -1. Now in last class we have studied same sign, -2 -5. Same sign we have to add. And what is sign? Common sign. Negative negative then negative. So -2 -5 is nothing but -7 multiplied with -6 and -2 plus -5 or plus 6. Here in this expression, addition and multiplication are present. First we will do multiplication as per the board mass. M for multiplication, A stands for addition. In particularly, if we see multiplication is if multiplication and addition are present in an expression, we have to first multiply the number, then add. Okay. तो पहले तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो -2 तो -5 -6 सेम साइन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिव. आंसर क्या आएगा हमारा पॉजिटिव 530. और लोग लिखते नहीं पॉजिटिव तो अंडरस्टूड पॉजिटिव होगा. नाउ क्लियर. -7 into -6 same sign, negative into negative, positive. And what is the value? 42. What is the value of this expression? 42. And -2 और plus 30. तो क्या होगा इसमें? -2 और plus 30, -2 plus 30. डिफरेंट साइन, अनराइट साइन है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे 30 माइनस 2 28, साइन क्या होगा, जो नंबर बड़ा साइन दे होगा पॉजिटिव 28, तो 28, तो विच नंबर इज लार्जर 42 और 28, 42 is larger, 42 since 42 is larger than 28, so therefore this expression whose value is 42 is larger, minus 2 minus 5 into minus 6 is larger than minus 2 plus minus 5 into minus 6. I think all of you understand. Now you can solve question number 6 also, question 4 also. Question number 4 also you can solve. After understanding this question, you can solve question number 4 also. Question 4 of 1, 2, 3, you can solve question 4 also. Okay. आज हम नेक्स्ट हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, डिवीजन पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, आज हम लोग इतने ही रहेंगे. अब उसको नोट करेंगे और इतना भी क्वेश्चन हमको क्या सॉल्व करेंगे नहीं बनेगा तो आई विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास.